Hello, I'm Sonali. I'm from Amravati, Maharashtra. I completed my BE in Mechanical 2018 from the Sipna College of Engineering. I was searching for a job in IT company, but unfortunately, I'm not getting this success. After searching a lot, I found Evision Technoserve Private Limited and their OGT programs. So I decided to join the Evision Technoserve Private Limited. It is an IT based company which provide the internship. I also got the experience in CCNA, switching, routing, cybersecurity, Windows administrator and ITIL. There was a amazing stuff for the different modules like Tarun sir, Vibhushi sir, Babita ma'am, Roshan sir. In Windows Administrator, I have learned Task Scheduler, Event Manager, Disk Manager, Device Manager. After that, password policies, local user and groups, how to create a disk, how to install a Windows in OS system, then DHCP configuration. After that, Active Directory Domain Controller, Active Directory Domain Services. After that, I have learned the mailing system. In that, MS Outlook system is there, and there are 3 protocols: IMAP, POP, SMTP. Also, I learned manual as well as automatic configuration. CCNA, I learned theoretical as well as practical concept. In theoretical, I have learned basics of network, then subnetting, IP addresses, different cables. After that, in the practical knowledge, I get some knowledge about the static and dynamic configuration. In dynamic configuration, I have learned RIP, EIGRP, OSPF. After that, remote access through console cable, telnet, SSH, subnetting access, frame relay. After that, access control, list types, NAT types, switching concept, VLAN, internet VLAN routing, then dynamic protocol, default routing, wireless IPv6. After that, I have also learned the troubleshoot, BSOD, system hanging, backup issue, PHTP backup, mail issues. I think every practical is important to company experience. Now I feel that I am 100% confident about each and every concept. Every weekend we spend our session on PPT and interview which covered. I faced 4 to 5 mock interviews that helped me boost my confidence. Now I can prove myself with the different skills of Windows administrator as well as routing and switching concept I gained during the internship. I am confident that I am gonna crack this interview in the first attempt. Yes, I will prove the asset for my company. Thank you.